Perhaps one of the cheapest ways is to have a look at developing it yourself. With advanced tools like our partner site eSites2Go, it's possible for someone with very limited technical experience to pick a template and set up their own website in a very short time. To start with, let's have a look at the kind of templates that we have. There's more than 200 templates available, and it's possible to change the colors of each template to give more than 500 designs to choose from. If you see a template that you like, such as this, it's purely then a matter of uploading your own logo and changing the color of the actual template to match the logo. These page names here can be anything you like, and you can have up to 40 pages on a particular site. The functionality of the site that you design yourself is actually determined by the monthly fee that you pay per site. The top functionality is available at €40, just under €40 a month, and that includes a simple e-commerce shopping cart facility, RSS feeds, blogs. You can build communities with forums. You can use up to 300 megabits of space, and we can increase that if required. But it should be pointed out that most people's demands aren't that sophisticated when they're starting off, and a simple business package at just under €15 a month is usually sufficient. As I say, if you go to eSites2Go.com and have a look at what's covered by each of the packages, you will see that the business package has a blog in it, image galleries, a couple of email accounts, up to 100 meg of hosting. It's sufficient, as I say, for most people when they're starting out. If you take it to the next phase, it's possible to get us to design the site for you, to set up all the graphics, to set the pages up, to advise you on the text, to advise you and to basically set up all the tags to get you into Google, the meta tags, the content, to configure it in a way that you'll be found in Google for specific keywords. If we have a look at, this is a typical site here that we have designed from scratch using this particular site builder product. If we have a look at the home page here, you'll see this site has a pretty advanced virtual tour facility which can go to full screen. Perfect for if you're trying to market a property at the moment, whether it be for sale or rental. You have multiple views of the property. You've also got a fairly advanced photo gallery in this site. We have a look at the B&B section. Go in here, click on the B&B section. We took all the photographs and the virtual tours for this site. Back to the home page. So how difficult, you might ask, is it to update a site like this? For somebody with no or very little technical expertise, how much work is there involved in keeping a site like this up to date? Well, very simply, we can show you. This is the back end, and this is the edit function where you would go in to change the pages. Very intuitive, very straightforward, and I'll show you now how simple it is. If we have a look at the home page, you select over here from like a site map which page you want to update, and here we are at the home page. As you can see, the actual interface is very like a Word. It's very like doing something in Word, so most people are familiar with it. If you want to underline something, it's a case of highlighting it, clicking underline, and it's done. Highlighting, clicking underline again to undo it. To change a piece of text, you just go to the point, type it in, change it, and when you're ready, you can save the changes up here like this. So that's that page changed. You don't have to publish every time you make the change. You can make a group of changes and then publish once, and that will publish all the changes at once. So now we've saved the change of that from 22 people to 24 people. Just bring your attention over here. You'll see there's a number of title tags, keywords, things like this. This is all search engine friendly tags that can be set at page level, which means these sites get found very well in Google. It's also possible to add a blog or additional pages to this site after it's been set up, and I'll just show you how straightforward that is. If we go back here, we have the actual title bar, and you see these are the pages at the moment that are on the site. Now suppose we wanted to add another page here called links. What we do is we go to the pages section. We then have a choice of what the type of pages we want to add here. So we could add an ordinary page. The page could be a blog, it could be another gallery, it could be a shopping cart, product catalog, it could be a flash intro page, it could be even a forum where you can get feedback from people as to questions you ask. It could be a guest book if you're a B&B, it could be a registration form. All these pages you can add yourself after the site has been developed. So for now we're just going to add another common page, and we're going to call that page a links page. Okay, I'll just type in links page and click it like that, and now I'm going to go in, save that. I'm going to go in and I'm going to put a link on that page, just again to show you how straightforward this is. So here we are. You see now we now have the links page displayed. What I'm going to go here on the sitemap to pick the links page to put a link in on. Okay, so we're in the links page. I'm going to edit a piece of text here. I'm going to edit a piece of text. I'm going to put web development companies. We will highlight that, and we will go up here to the link section, click on the link, and we say that we want this to open up websuccess365.com, and we want that to open up in a new window. That links page is created with a link to our actual home site, and what I'm going to do now is I'm going to publish those changes. So I'm just hitting the publish tab, which will ask me to publish to our server. As you see, there's no fancy FTP details, nothing like this for you to worry about. Once the site is set up by us, you're free to change the content, to add, remove pages. Those pages can be of any type, including blogs, shopping carts, forums, and very, very flexible product. It's very, very flexible. And if we go back now to the actual site, do a refresh, you can see there's our links page, new links page. Click on the links page, there's the link I put in, and if we click on web development companies, you'll see there's our own website opening up. Thank you for taking the time to listen to this video. My name is Eamon McGrinahan. This has been a presentation for websuccess365.com.